Yeah.
Good afternoon, JY. Nothing get it time to straight over there, you know. So right now, we yard right now, I can't truck your job because we host there, but in near the main road. And the trucker come up now a while, I can't bad driving. So if the man no take it off of the car, everybody in a 7-seater wish it that did off. So I wait drive over street, over in the yard. I look it in all the car, you know, there, man in there work. So I mash up the whole of my bar door right now. I don't know if I go out my bar. Can't lock. See it in the yard there. Just sad walk out there out there. Nobody ask this and ask that. I just don't want nobody else right now to me in panic. Cause in I bar me here sell somebody and we hear truck a blow a come. Our idea that car bad dry now, somebody will come off the car over here say we dry and drop. You have to game up out. But the greatest thing, me and the next guy in there now when they get the damage car, I have to run out, I have to jump the counter, fast and come out. And the truck driver did nothing to them, so what are the greatest thing?
John, so, you know, this accident happened in Kellix, Clarendon. This person in the bar and only to know say, yo, a cane car come or a cane truck, a cane truck a forward and a wish, 7-seater wish, bad drive the truck and the truck have to take off of the wish just to save the life of those persons and the driver control of the truck and I hit this. So this is one of my long time subscriber and John feel it, you know, because I'm livelihood this, you know, this person don't need handout to nobody right now and for know so boy this happened, but as the person say at the same time, glad say it no worse and no life no cost, you know. Ah boy. Me not even say boy, man them fi be careful on the road. Leave it there so yeah man. Can't bother. Cause it's like we just attack in vain. And as we are talking about accident, just received some sad news ago. Update Fern Gully crash. You know, 2 more persons succumbed to injuries and an 8-year-old girl is among those. Oh my God, man, this is sad, man. Remember the Easter fun trip end up be a tragic trip? 2 more persons, including an 8-year-old girl, have died as a result of injuries they sustained in a motor vehicle crash along the Fern Gully Main Road in St. Ann on Easter Sunday. The total fatality from the crash now stand at 3 persons. The latest fatality are Kayla Brown, an 8-year-old student of Alpha Primary School, who died at the Bustamante Hospital for Children on Saturday, while 58-year-old Noreen Allen succumbed to her injuries on Monday. Both little Kayla and Allen are from Wildman Street in Kingston. Suzette Thomas, a 49-year-old housekeeper of Wildman Street in Kingston, was the first person who succumbed to injuries from the crash. Initial reports were that 23 persons, including 16 children, were traveling in a Nissan Caravan motor vehicle when tragedy struck. So, this is sad, man. This is so sad, you know. And I always telling us, so sometime when them accident are going on the same time, it takes effect. You know, sometimes a man say, yo, me good man, John was star, and before you know it, a whole heap of times they have internal bleeding, sometimes, you know, in the head, all part of you. So, boy, I hope say no more person no succumb, you know. Please, me I beg you now, continue to pray for these persons, because persons are still suffering from this tragic accident. Please, guys, me I beg you now. Yes, so we are back again with the Leoda Dirty Bradshaw news. Me telling you, you know, just a while ago, me just giving you the update, and me telling you, say, look here, me not put nothing past this girl here. See, the commissioner of police come out now and make it be known, say, Dirty Bradshaw and the officer, correctional officer, is madly in love right now. They have to move the correctional officer. But me are telling you this, you don't soon hear the end of it here. You don't think Leoda love nobody? You don't think Leoda love nobody? I want somebody Leoda love here. So cop rumored to be lover of murder accused Leoda Bradshaw transfer. So, I don't understand them transfer thing. Yeah? A man just found out, say a man corrupt, the upper spoil, and you transfer the upper gun for the next tree. What will happen to them there? Anyway, let me go in it here, man. Let me leave people business alone. Commissioner of Police Dr. Kevin Blake has confirmed that an officer rumored to be romantically linked to murder accused Leoda Bradshaw has been removed from duty at the St. Catherine lockup. In a media briefing on Tuesday, Blake also shared that while the accused officer has been removed from duty pending investigation, inquiries into the allegation thus far show that the information regarding a relationship appears to be false. Yeah, no. Rumors begin circulating over the weekend alleging that Bradshaw, who is accused of orchestrating the brutal slap-away of politician Philip Powell infant daughter, 10-month-old Saraya Powell, and the list goes on and on and on. So, let me fast forward because everybody know about that again. And I quote, "We heard the allegation and immediately commissioned an investigation around it. We also removed the officer who was accused from the station, but our investigation to this point has not shown that there is any truth to the allegation," Blake said. Bradshaw was charged with murder after alleging hiring men to kidnap and kill the mother and daughter pair in September. I'm here to tell you this straight. I'm not go around and come around. Listen to me. You see, if the JCF did credible for a morning, I wouldn't trust them. I would trust them. So, if nothing no goes alright, can just make a woman remove that the officer there. The officer that is accused. Remember, say we out here on the street and I hear what go on, not true? So, what's going on the inside? Them take people for idiot, as me say. Me, I believe this, and I go hear the long and the short of this year. Me, I believe this for now, yeah, until them prove otherwise. So, spam the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Yeah, me not put nothing. Me know the girl, yeah, she up to something. I don't know if I become a hater so much, make boy, them have to prove to me, yeah, man. Me not let it go. Yeah, something in a something go on. You see me? Something a go on, something I go forward. Just wait. Let them go and hide it.
Me love Jamaica, me nah sell out. Them try clip we wings, somehow we can't fly out. But when we there yard, nothing nice like Jamaica. Roast breadfruit and banana. Under the tree with a glass.